AT fam, I'm back with another video. I'm back with another trucking video, maybe. Okay, so we're on standby. It seems like we were just on standby, but it's just the way that I've been posting. But anyway, so we're on standby and we're at the warehouse. We're not home this time. We're not home this time. But we are about to go take our car and drive to the Love so we can take a shower and get our day started. To be honest, I don't really know what we're doing today, so I just started the vlog and basically I'll just show you whatever we end up doing today. We're definitely gonna get some food, definitely gonna take a shower, definitely gonna get some food, and I don't know what's in store. And if you like my vlogs like this, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications, okay? Alright, let's go. You guys, it is so cold out here. Like, colder than it was yesterday. And I was in North Carolina yesterday. And I'm in Florida today. But yeah, I had to throw on my little jacket, my little cute jacket. But anyway, so yeah, we're just walking to the car now. And then, like I said, I'll see you at the shower. When you don't have time to take a shower, dude shower on the go. I just noticed that. That's so funny.
Customer 39, your shower is ready. Please proceed to shower 3.
That's my number. Me and my girlfriend got separate showers because we're actually like getting ready to do something today. So to make it go kind of faster, so we don't have to like wait on each other and stuff. We got separate showers, but we usually just take one shower. What am I doing? So yeah, this is what I do. Oh no, I do not miss that job at all. Yo, seriously though, like US Foods was really good to me and I had a good experience there, but I don't miss it at all. It was way too physical and I just, nope. When I go back home to be local, I'm getting a no-touch freight job. Well, I don't mind unloading with pallets, I don't mind that. But yeah, don't miss that at all. So I'm going to the car to put my stuff away because I don't think my girlfriend's done yet. So yeah, I'm putting my stuff in the car. All right guys, you know we love us some Waffle House. She gets the Texas cheesesteak melt with the bacon. I get it without the bacon. Oh my god, I love this sandwich like so much. You see those onions in there? Ah! Okay, so we about to bust down and then on to the next thing. What are we doing next anyway?
You getting a tattoo?
You're getting a tattoo. We'll see.
No.
I just put no.
Ain't it amazing though how addictive these things are? They're like crack or something. Once you get one, you want another one.
They are addicting.
I bet 10,000 times in that very first tattoo for somebody, I hear this, hey man, I'm sorry, I ain't doing this shit again. And
Then they're back.
You gotta talk this.
we forget what these feel like, but we remember real quick.
That's
But
what I
true,
be
you do,
saying.
you forget. And then also like, yeah, I remember this shit.
yeah.
Did I tell you what I think it feels like? A pissed off hornet that knows karate, running up and down you, going, "Hostile, mother." Chop, 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 chop. That's a good explanation, man.
No,
No?
not anymore.
I'm trying not to loud.
Stop, stop. Okay.
Yes, just what.
And I don't know if you remember me, but I talked to you whenever you had your old shop and when you was moved over.
Hell, I don't know what I did an hour ago. I got
well,
CRS, can't remember shit.
I was wanting to know if you needed an apprentice yet or not.
Oh, no. I'm not busy enough.
I asked.
All right, sir, thank you.
Oh yeah, one more question.
Uh-huh.
How much would you charge to do a tattoo on the neck?
It depends on what it is. I gotta see it.
I just want you to write Jeffrey Epstein didn't kill himself.
What is it?
No, you don't.
Jeffrey Epstein did not kill himself.
Sure it's something you want to wear forever?
No, but it's a good question, though.
Because once it's there, you're never hiding it.
All right. Hey, but the neck would be the spot to put it, though.
Yeah. I'd have to see how it was written. But I try to be good to
He
you.
said a couple weeks.
Yeah.
It'll be a couple weeks. He said, obviously, we can't go away pregnant. He said it's a couple weeks, 9 months, maybe. So it's probably about February. Beginning of February. He's busy with her right now. Waiting till later.
Got one more after this young lady.
Oh, okay.
Pardon me?
Yeah,
Nothing,
one more
nothing.
client after the lady.
This
Is that a
Sonny,
person or?
he don't remember shit. I remember everything. This jerk came up to you when you had the old shop about 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Asked you the same damn bullshit about apprenticeships and all this
Oh,
crap.
yeah. That's
He
all I
still
need.
ain't got a job.
That's all I need is some meth heads in their rooms.
Oh, you should see him. Her and the truck. Yeah, I remember him. That's the only thing that works in my mind is my brain. Nothing else works. It's my brain. And my hearing. Yeah, that's that guy that had this pleasure island with all the procurement young girls. and all
Oh,
that
yeah,
crap.
yeah.
What an idiot. He was out there spouting that crap over.
Well, you know he was murdered.
I don't care. You know? But I mean, who the hell is this guy? Me and Donnie, and he comes up throwing his crap about that. Like, what do I care? They had to kill that guy anyway. He knew.
You feel it?
They said he had cameras everywhere.
Yeah,
He filmed
everywhere.
everything. Did you see the picture of Bill Clinton behind his desk in a blue dress? And the Clintons went out there something like 41 times. That's where they were.